Hello, my name is Matthew Sauce and I'm an Applications Engineer with Micro-Measurements. Today I'd like to show you some of the key features of our portable System 8000 as well as a demonstration of our StrengthSmart software. Let's get started. The System 8000 is an affordable data acquisition system that communicates via a high-speed Ethernet connection to your PC or laptop. Data collection can be accomplished through a variety of sensors including strain gauges, strain gauge-based transducers, thermocouples, temperature sensors, high-level sensors, and other commonly used transducers. This highly flexible system is lightweight and portable and will fit in most laptop carrying cases. The System 8000 utilizes 8 universal RJ45 inputs per unit, with each input being capable of acquiring data from a strain gauge-based device, a thermocouple, or a high-level device. Each channel utilizes its own individual 24-bit A to D converter to provide a maximum sampling rate of 1,000 samples per second per channel. Channel count can be expanded up to 128 channels with the addition of another 15 scanners. The System 8000 offers software selectable internal completion resistance for 120, 350, and 1,000 ohm strain gauges, software controlled shunt calibration, software controlled remote sense, and excitation voltages ranging from 0 to 10 volts DC. The 8000 supports J, K, T, E, N, R, S, and B type thermocouples. High-level inputs can range from plus to minus 10 volts with a resolution of 100 microvolts. The System 8000 has a single normally open or normally closed relay contact for communicating with external hardware. Beside the internal relay connection, you will find the DC power connector. The System 8000 is supplied with an AC-DC desktop switching power supply. It can also operate off of a battery or alternate DC power source, providing enough power can be supplied to meet the system and excitation power requirements. Now let's take a look at the front panel of the System 8000. Here we will find the VCAL and Ethernet input ports, the ready light, and the illuminated power switch. Every 8000 can be self-calibrated and comes with an input slot designed to accept our removable voltage calibration card, or VCAL card. This optional accessory is an NIST traceable calibration device. It provides a high accuracy voltage source that is used to calibrate the gain and offset of each channel. The VCAL card can be interchangeable among different 8000s and is only required during the self-calibration process. The System 8000 communicates with its host computer via a 10 base T or 100 base TX Ethernet network. This allows the flexibility of distributing multiple systems close to the test area, thus shortening lead wires and reducing lead wire desensitization and electrical interferences. The ready light will illuminate when sufficient power is supplied to the System 8000. The ready light can also be initiated to blink for identifying the particular unit when multiple units are used. The 8000 weighs less than 4 pounds and will fit within a 1U height enclosure with our optional rack mount kit. Side-mounted ventilation fans draw air through the unit from the sides so that stacking units in a rack can be optimized. There are 3 different ways of acquiring data from the System 8000. Design your own software, a programmer's reference manual and LabVIEW drivers are provided by Micro-Measurements, our free basic software, and Micro-Measurements StrengthSmart software. Now let's take a look at the StrengthSmart software. The StrengthSmart software is a ready-to-use Windows-based software system for acquiring, reducing, presenting, and storing measurement data from a variety of sensors. It is designed to function seamlessly with a variety of Micro-Measurements instrumentation hardware, including our System 5000, 6000, 7000, and now 8000. Some of the key features that are common among the StrengthSmart data systems are bridge completion provided through the 120, 350, or 1000 ohm internal precision resistors for quarter and half bridge setups. You don't have to provide external precision resistors. One-touch auto balancing, which is quick and easy to use and notifies the user of any balancing issues. Also, shunt calibration of strain gauge inputs to compensate for lead wire resistance. Some additional StrengthSmart software features include easy-to-use wizards for fast test setup, even for the novice to strain gauging, data reduction of delta, rectangular, and T rosettes, including the conversion of principal strains to stresses can be processed while scanning and recording, or after the data has been taken. StrengthSmart also supports advanced analysis of rosettes, including calculations of equivalent stresses using common failure criteria such as von Mises for direct correlation to finite element models. Data can be monitored online while being taken in both time domain and FFT analysis in fully reduced formats. StrainSmart supports multiple file formats for exported data including ASCII, text, HTML, and more. Many strain gauge error corrections are also built into the software including firmware output compensation, temperature coefficient of gauge factor, Wheatstone bridge nonlinearity, transverse sensitivity correction, and more. We have taken our many years of strain gauge experience and incorporated that into our System 8000 and our StrainSmart software. You can find more information about micromeasurements instrumentation and our StrainSmart software on our website. Thank you for your time, and as always, feel free to contact the Applications Engineering Department or your local technical sales manager for any questions regarding our products.